So, hello, future chartered accountants. Myself, Ikshita Jain, and these are my group members, Diya Agarwal and Gargi Mantri. And today, we will embark on a journey across various fields, from science to sports, from art to politics, to meet the first females who defied norms and left an indelible mark on the tapestry of Indian history. Now, we want to engage with you all instead of just keeping it as a presentation. So I would like you all to kindly provide us with your undivided attention for the next 15 minutes. So let's begin. Welcome everyone to a journey of inspiration and empowerment as we explore the remarkable stories of the first females who broke barriers and carved their path into diverse fields of India. So all the aspiring female chartered accountants present here, kindly raise your hands. Female chartered accountants, female, okay. So now from you all, you can answer from you all, who can tell me who is the first female chartered accountant of India without using Google? Because Google को तो पता है, आपको पता है? आप फीमेल हैं? I also females है. Okay, so guys, C.R. Shivabogan was the first female chartered accountant of India. She joined the civil disobedience movement by Mahatma Gandhi, and after she got into jail for 1 year, she completed her government diploma in accountancy, becoming the first Indian woman accountant in 1933. In 1949, when CA Act came out, she became the first female chartered accountant by achieving her fellowship on 1950. So I hope I added a new fact in your knowledge book. So now question time, stay alert guys. So we know who is the first female CA, right? Now who can tell me the first female lawyer of India? Guys, commerce वाले है ना सब? नहीं, साइंस वाले भी है? चलो okay. So the first female lawyer of India is Cornelia Sorabji. She studied at Oxford University and became the first woman to practice law in both India and Britain. She had her achievements that extend beyond the legal profession. अब यहाँ पे अभी कुछ लोगों ने कहा हम कॉमर्स वाले नहीं हैं, तो ठीक है, साइंस वाले जो बैकग्राउंड से हैं या साइंस who are an integral part of our life, who can tell me the first female doctor of India? Anyone? Yeah, that's perfect and that's correct. Anandi Gopal Joshi studied Western medicine for 2 years and she completed her degree in the United States. Although she died at the age of 21, she paved the way for women who seek roles beyond traditional roles and paved the path for female doctors in India. Now, बहुत tricky questions हो गए, थोड़ा सा easy question. So ये तो I guess सबको पता होगा, but let's see who says it first. Who is the first female president of India? Yeah, exactly. Pratibha Patil was not only the first female president of India, she was the first Maharashtrian to hold this prestigious position. Her contributions extend beyond politics. She established various educational institutes, and she is also known for establishing institutes such as Vidya Bharati and Sham Sadhana Trust. So guys, I hope you had a fun and knowledgeable time with me, and now I hand over the presentation to our friend Diya Agarwal. Good morning everyone, this is Diya Agarwal, and let me introduce to the first female engineer. That is, her name is A. Lalita. She was born on 27 August 1990 and she died at 12th October 1979. She was the first female engineer and she worked at Central Standard Organization, later associated with Electrical Industries in Calcutta. She was included in the first International Conference of Women Engineers in New York. and many good work was done by her. Now, now an interesting question for you. Who was the first woman to receive Ashoka Chakra? Any guesses? Who was the first woman to receive Ashoka Chakra? I can give you a hint. Her biography was performed by an Bollywood actor Sonam Kapoor. Yeah, that is the correct answer. Mirza Vinod was born on 7 September 1963 and she died at 5 September 1986 and he was a flight attendant. She died during an hijacking time and flight 73 1986. Okay, her heroic action inspired in the 2016 Indian historical film Mirza. Now, entrepreneurship is a trend nowadays. So everyone knows who is an entrepreneur, a person who undertakes a risk to start a new venture. So any guesses for the first women entrepreneur in India? So let me tell you. The first female entrepreneur of India is Kalpana Saroj. She was a prominent Indian entrepreneur and she was a symbol of resilience and success. She showed her entrepreneurial progress and her journey underscored the transformative power of dedication. So, so the next woman I will be talking about will be from a body of person empowered by a state with the aim to enforce the law to ensure safety and health. So who is the first woman IPS of India? I please speak louder. It is incorrect answer. Kiran Bedi was the first female IPS and was born on June 9, 1949 in Amritsar, Punjab. She began her career as a tennis player and received many Nobel Prizes, but later on she joined a political party, that is BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, anyone knows about the first female to climb Mount Everest? So, any guesses? Okay. Bachendri Pal was the first woman to climb Mount Everest, and she was born on May 24, 1954, and made an history to conquer the Mount Everest. Her achievements garnered several accolades, including the Padma Bhushan in 2019, Padma Shri Arjuna Award, and National Adventure Award. Now, a very easy question for you guys. Who won the first Nobel Peace Prize award in India? That's the correct answer. Okay, the first female to win Nobel Peace Prize is Mother Teresa. She was born on August 26th and was the first woman to receive Nobel Prize and she was founder of Missionaries of Charity. She is known for her selfless attitude towards needy and helpless people. Thank you. Now I hand over the slide to my friend Gagi Mantri. Okay, so next we can talk about the first female to bag a medal at Olympics. She's also known as the Iron Lady of Andhra Pradesh. Any guesses who is she? Yeah, it's the correct answer. Karna Maleshwari, the Iron Lady of Andhra Pradesh. She was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal in Sydney Olympics in weightlifting. Remarkable achievements also include the gold medals at the Asian Games, World Championships, World recognized for his excellence. Maleshwari received the Arjuna Award, Rajiv Khel Ratna Award, and Padma Shri. Okay, so coming back to the next first female in space. Any guesses who can? That's right. Kalpana Chawla was the first woman of the Indian origin in space, and she flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997, tragically perishing in Columbia disaster. She was an aerospace engineer, received the Congressional Space Medal of Honor. Next is the first female train driver. Yes, that's the correct answer. Surekha Shankar Yadav, born on September 2, 1965, she made a history as India's first female train driver in 1988. Breaking barriers in the male-dominated domain, the Indian Railways, she drove the inaugural Ladies Special in 2000. Surekha's dedication led her to pilot various trains, including the first local goods train. The next one is the first female Supreme Court judge. Can anyone guess who she is? Justice M. Fatima Bibi made history as the first female judge in the Court of India, appointed in 1989, and she was also the first Muslim woman in the higher judiciary. After her retirement, she served in the National Human Rights Commission and as the Governor of Tamil Nadu from 1997 to 2001. In 2023, recently, she received the Kerala Prabha Award. Starting her legal career in 1950, she excelled, eventually becoming a district and session judge in 1974, marking a trailblazing journey in the Indian journey. Next is the first female Indian Army, Priya Jindal. The daughter of a police officer, initially aspired to join the Indian Police Service, but later wrote to the Chief of Army Staff, General Smith Francis Rodgers, requesting permission to join the army. Her request was accepted in 1992 and she commenced her military training at the Officers Training Academy in Chennai on September 21, alongside 24 other lady cadets, and was the cadet number 1. She graduated as a silver medalist of the first women's course on March 6, 1993. Okay, so today we all learned about various women in different fields who very bravely took the first step to be the first of many. These women, among many others, break the records of patriarchy and grace the world by embracing their powers. History has now showcased the remarkable achievements of women in every field, often overcoming adversities, prejudices, and social norms. These were the women of the past, and we are the women of the future. On an ending note, we would just like to say, empower women, empower a nation. Thank you.